Injuries at work have a $250 billion impact on the U.S. economy. A key driver impacting these costs is the provider chosen to help the injured worker. Claims handled by bottom-tier doctors can cost 4 to 5 times as much as the top-tier doctors for many of the complex injuries. The same pattern can be seen when we look at other metrics like claim duration and level of attorney involvement. Suggesting the right provider to the injured worker helps reduce costs. It also reduces claim durations so that injured workers can get back to work earlier, reduces attorney involvement with better treatment of the injury, reduces opioid use by encouraging workers to go to providers with minimal history of prescribing opioids. To solve this, 2 pieces need to be put into place. 1. The ability to score providers in a transparent, objective manner. 2. A mechanism to access the ranked list of providers rapidly. Prior solutions have had some challenges in putting these pieces together. Black boxes. The methods of ranking have lacked transparency. It is difficult to say why exactly providers have been added or removed from the network. Time-consuming. Creation of high-quality networks has many manual steps in the process, making the network creation process slow. And inefficient search. Searching for a doctor from the network is slow and inefficient. Either paper lists are used or basic online forms. PUMA was built to address these challenges. It is the first search engine focused on helping suggest the right providers for an injury rapidly. PUMA is accurate. The core models within PUMA have been in use successfully and refined over the past 10+ years. Key features include case mix adjustment to make an apples-to-apples comparison between providers, and adaptive machine learning. Models use the most advanced machine learning techniques that have the highest level of scoring accuracy in the industry and can adapt to the customer's dataset. PUMA is also comprehensive. It takes a holistic 360-degree view of the provider to paint a complete picture. Defensible. PUMA enforces a fair, clear process to evaluate providers. Easy to use. We hide all the complexity behind the scenes and deliver the final recommendation through a simple search engine. In PUMA, claims adjusters can rapidly use a web interface to search for providers, drill down into details like what contributed to a provider's score or what types of claims the provider worked on in the past. PUMA can also help adjusters rapidly compare providers. The list of selected providers can then be sent via text message to the injured worker. The injured worker gets the text instantaneously and can immediately contact the providers. Results from PUMA can also be easily integrated into claim systems through API calls and file transfers, making it very easy to implement with minimal disruption to existing workflows. The impact is striking. 5 to 15% reduction in total claim costs, depending on the quality of your network. 5 to 10% reduction in average claims duration. And most importantly, PUMA helps all of us rapidly get injured workers back on track. We would love to show you more. Go to CLARAanalytics.com to request a demo today, and we'll get the process started.